Okay, hi everyone. So today we have with us Adityam Rai, who secured AIR 11 in GATE 2021 in the geophysics paper. So Adityam has been a student of mine. He joined Elevate classes in September 2020 and in the masterclass program. And the results came out just a couple of days back, and he secured All India rank 11 in GATE. So first of all, Adityam, many congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So I want to start with that story you told me yesterday, how you discovered your rank. Could you share that story with us?
Oh, it's a long story, and it's a very interesting story because this goes back to 7 years.
Uh-huh.
7 years back, I gave my JE exam and I could not clear it.
Mm-hmm.
I was not good at physics,
Mm-hmm.
so I always lacked that conceptual clarity.
Mm-hmm.
But I had some prior exposure about geosciences, so
Mm-hmm.
I gave the exam of UPES,
Mm-hmm.
and I got geoscience engineering there. So those 4 years, I learned so much about earth sciences, and I discovered that my interest was in geophysics,
Okay.
and that was through my projects. But
Okay.
still I lacked the basics. I
Mm-hmm.
was able to do the concrete things, but yes, I lacked the basic thing. And then I appeared in GATE in
Mm-hmm.
2018 and I could not clear it.
Mm-hmm.
But simultaneously I got placed. I got a job in L&T Infotech Mumbai.
Okay. Okay.
So I went there, and 2.5 years I worked there.
2.5 years.
2.5 years,
Corporate
2018.
life, not
Corporate
student
life,
life, corporate
pure
life.
pure corporate life.
Mm-hmm.
10 hours per day in office.
10 hours per day of work. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, 10 hours per day in office. And I again gave GATE in 2020, but
Mm-hmm.
due to my job, of course, I could not prepare that much.
Mm-hmm.
So then this COVID thing happened, and I was like, okay, now I have to think this way, and I need to clear GATE, because somewhere I felt that I do not belong to that group of corporate people.
Mm-hmm.
I always intended to go into research and
Mm-hmm.
academics.
Mm-hmm.
So I decided that I should give it a go.
Mm-hmm.
So fortunately, I would say that COVID has been a blessing for me, because it
Mm-hmm.
helped me realize what I really wanted to do.
Mm-hmm.
So I started. So around June, when I returned to Dehradun, I came back from Mumbai. So I started gathering my things and gathering my confidence. Okay, let's do it. But first of all, let's address the issues.
Mm-hmm.
That where do I lack? Last year, I got 48.33 out of 100, and the cutoff was 51.
Mm-hmm.
I missed it by 2 marks.
Mm-hmm.
So I knew I was close, and I needed the basics. So I got to know about you from
Acha.
from a
How did
junior.
how did you get to know about me?
So I know a friend, she Ayushi Bharatwaj. She is
Ayushi, yeah. She's
yes,
my student, yes.
she is your student. So she told me that Divya Jyoti sir is starting Elevate classes. So I was like, okay, I want to learn physics, and I want to learn the basics. So I contacted you, and you advised me against joining it, because you were like, okay, this is for something else, and you're preparing for something else. But I wanted to do it, so I joined
Yeah, I
Elevate
was I
classes.
was teaching for Jam and you were preparing for GATE.
Yes.
Hmm.
So I started with Elevate classes in September, and I would say this is the best I've been, like, well versed. I would now consider myself very well versed with the basics. It
Mm-hmm.
started, I used to fear mechanics a lot, and thank you, sir, for that.
Okay.
You actually helped me solve HC Verba. It was like something else. It was like a taboo for me in class 12. I used to fear that book so much.
Mm-hmm.
So because of you, I could solve that. And slowly then I gave like 2 to 3 months, like around November.
Mm-hmm.
3 months I gave to Elevate. So
Mm-hmm.
I gathered my basics, and then I had my plan very clear that I just have to stick to the syllabus now.
Mm-hmm.
So I got my GATE syllabus out of geophysics.
Mm-hmm.
So geophysics is about the physics that involves the earth. It
Mm-hmm.
addresses everything: the seismic waves, geomagnetism, electrical properties of earth. So it's like applied
Mm-hmm.
branch of physics.
Mm-hmm.
So now I had the tools, so I
Mm-hmm.
started with that, and I quit my job in October.
Mm-hmm. You
So
quit your job in October and you appeared in GATE in January, right?
yes, it was a very, very big risk I took, because my job was going very good. I was getting
Mm-hmm.
handsomely paid, and a lot of people advised me against it. They
Mm-hmm.
told me that you should continue with your job, but also parallelly do your studies and then go for it. But I wanted to do it. Okay, this is all in or all out. I have to do it this time.
Mhm.
So I quit my job in October
Mhm.
12th,
Mhm.
and then I just devoted myself fully. Every day, I made my plans. I got my books, and every day it was like 7 to 8 hours apart from Elevate.
Mhm. So, can you share some of your strategies that you followed during this October to January period?
Sir, it's all about that. I have seen a lot of people who prepare for GATE, they just go for the important topics.
Mhm.
It's not about those topics. You
Mhm.
have to study each and every topic mentioned in the syllabus,
Mhm.
because sometimes we do not realize that the topics are connected.
Hmm.
So that happened. I used to study very selectively before, but this
Mhm.
time I decided to go into the details, and I just went after it. So I wrote every topic. I made a sheet.
Mhm.
I divided the syllabus that I
Mhm.
have to do this chunk in this
Mhm.
particular amount of time, and everything was clear. I had my sources sorted, and
Mhm.
then I made my notes, very comprehensive notes, each and every topic. Once
Mhm.
I completed that topic, I went for the previous years of GATE geophysics, but I didn't stop there.
Mhm.
I went for CSIR Net Earth Sciences too questions,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
because I knew that CSIR Net is again next level. So
Mhm.
if you prepare for that level, you can just go. You can easily crack the problems that are just below that level.
Mhm.
So I went for it, and it came out good. So by December end, I had like my 45% of syllabus finished in
हुँ।
detail.
अच्छा एक बात बताओ जब तुम प्रिपेयर कर रहे थे हाउ मच ऑफ दोज़ टॉपिक्स फेल्ट लाइक न्यू टू यू दैट यू हैड टू लर्न समथिंग न्यू और वाज़ इट रिवाइजिंग ओल्ड टॉपिक्स दैट यू हैड
No,
गेन कॉन्फिडेंस बैक?
it was new, because previously I didn't have the tools.
हुँ,
Like I used to skip Earth's rotation.
हुँ, हुँ,
I used to skip eight force acceleration, centrifugal force. I used to skip it altogether because I didn't have the tools.
हुँ,
Now I had the confidence in rotational mechanics. Now
हुँ,
I
हुँ,
knew about centrifugal force. I knew
हुँ,
about
हुँ, हुँ,
Coriolis force. So
हुँ,
it was
हुँ,
like I studied the basics. Now I have to go into the deep.
हुँ। एंड यू टोल्ड मी यू एन्जॉयड द लेक्चर ऑन कोरियलिस फोर्सेस एटसेट्रा।
Yes, I enjoyed every lecture of yours. Every lecture of yours. It was excellent.
हुँ,
So I
हुँ।
started with that, and slowly I finished my syllabus around January 20th. I
So
had
you
my
spend how many hours per day you are saying? 7 hours
seven to
self-study?
eight, 7 to us pure self study apart from Elevate.
Apart from the classes that we are organizing, that is your self-study, 7
That
7
is my
hours
self.
almost.
Yes. So
Over a
yeah,
period of 3 to 4 months.
over a period of 3 to 4 months. Yes.
Mhm.
Focus study. I even didn't step out of my house during that period. Just
Mhm.
got disconnected from everyone. No social media, no friends. I even didn't used to take calls.
That is important for everyone. No social media, no mobile phone, nothing, and disconnected from everything else. And even doing that, you cleared gate in period of 3 to 4 months. You're saying so that is an achievement.
I would say that I started with GATE around November. So it was like November, December, January. Yeah, 3 months.
Mm-hmm.
It was 3 months.
Mm-hmm.
It was good because I had some experience. I knew about the topics, but now I had better tools to address them. So I completed my syllabus around January 20th. And after that, I made a revision diary in which I
Okay.
wrote all the formulas. I
Mm-hmm.
solved the previous years, but this time it was like first I used to solve topic wise when I was studying the topics. Now
Mm-hmm.
it was like in one go. So there's a problem in geophysics that we have very limited options. We do not have an all India test series.
Mm-hmm.
So the sources are very few, and there are very few people to guide students. Even
Mm-hmm.
if you go to the YouTube, you won't find any lectures on geophysics.
Mm-hmm.
So sources are very limited in this.
Mm-hmm.
So I prepared for that, and I was feeling very nervous on the day of the exam
So
because
geophysics, mein, there are how many sections? You have physics, you have geology, and
geophysics, sir, we have 13 sections in that,
mm-hmm.
13 topics.
Mm-hmm.
So it starts with the solid earth.
Mm-hmm.
Solid earth goes for the geothermics, the solid earth, the gravitation, and the fluid mechanics of earth, everything in that, seismology, basic seismic waves. Then we go into the hardcore seismology. How do the earthquakes happen? And everything related to the earthquakes, the elastic motion of the earth. Then we have seismic exploration for petroleum, natural gas. So that is again two topics, reflection and refraction, what is used in the industry. So I had some experience because I was working into that sector. I worked in oil and gas in L&T. So I had the real-time exposure of the data. Then we have electromagnetic methods, which is built upon the electromagnetism that we study. It's built upon that. Then we go for the electrical methods. Then we have the geodesy, the measurements related to the earth, the gravity measurements, the labeling, surveying, everything. Then we have gravity methods, exploration for minerals, magnetic methods, and then we have well logging, radioactivity, signal processing, inversion theory, and last we have potential theory. So you can see it's very comprehensive,
Hmm.
huge amount of topics,
Big syllabus,
very
huge
big,
syllabus.
huge syllabus. So I counted, I had around in these 13 sections, I had around 140 topics to cover.
Hmm. 140 is a lot.
140 topics, and I wanted to be thorough with each and every topic. So I would actually give credit to one of my professors in my college, UPS. So
Hmm.
he's right now pursuing his PhD in Saudi Arabia.
Hmm.
So he called me one day that Aditya, what about GATE? What are you thinking this time?
Hmm.
Because I said that sir, I want to clear GATE this time because I've quit my job. I don't
Hmm.
have any backups now.
Hmm.
I have to get into masters or PhD next year.
Hmm.
So he guided me with everything. He told me that I will talk to you as I'm quite busy these days. I'm going for a field trip, but when I come back, I'll daily take your 1 hour of revision and I'll ask you questions. So he's from geophysics. He did his post graduation from IIT Bombay. So he helped me a lot. He made me revise my concepts, and it's like that inspiration that brushed off on me. I then concentrated very well, and I went about it. So I completed my syllabus, and I was feeling okay. My mother used to ask me, what about the preparation? I said, okay, this time I think I will clear the exam.
Hmm. So you're confident by January end.
Yeah, my preparation was like that. I have covered everything. I can solve the previous year questions. I can say that, but again, there was some element of doubt in my mind because IIT Bombay was setting the paper this time, and IIT Bombay is known for geophysics. It is one
Hmm.
of the IITs for geophysics.
Hmm.
So I was like, okay, I can expect something really new this time. And the syllabus changed
Hmm.
this year. The syllabus changed and the format changed. So I went for the exam on 7th of February, morning 9:30 shift. Very nervous, couldn't
Hmm.
sleep the night before. And then it started, and I was just lost into it after that. One after the other, numericals just came up, came up, came up. And to my dismay, there was not a single question or a concept repeated from previous years.
Okay.
So it was all new, it was all application based, and now that decision to join Elevate, that paid off because it was all about basics.
Hmm.
So I did that paper. I attempted around 80 marks out of 100 because we had negative, so I had to be very calculative there. And I came back home, and my parents, my peers, and everyone asked me how was the paper. So I told them I would rate the paper as moderate to difficult.
Hmm.
It was not that easy.
Hmm.
So after that, I was like,
So
okay,
when you discovered the result, how was that experience?
result, I'm telling you, it's building up to that. And
Uh-huh.
then the answer key came, and my friend told me that you should match your answer key, you will get your score, how
Hmm.
much you're getting. So sir, the trend has been, the cutoff has been increasing by 10 marks every year. 2018 the cutoff was 32, 2019 it was 44.5, 2020 it was 51.2. So I was like, I have to score above 60 this time or else I'm doomed, it's gone. So it came, and I was in the gym. I came back. My parents were crying. I was like, well, what's the issue? Why are you crying? So they told me that your result is out. Check it. So I was like, okay, let me check the result. And then they hugged me and they're like, you got all India rank 11.
That must have been a very pleasant surprise.
That was a very pleasant surprise. I had tears in my eyes. I cried like anything because it's taking me 7 years to come till here.
Hmm.
Repeated failures throughout, everything, but just one thing, I never gave up.
Hmm.
I
And you
had,
also it was discontinued from your academics because of your job
yes,
in the middle, and you
yes,
came back from that.
I came back from that phase. 2.5 years, I was not in touch with anything. It was just my job. And then I just did it this time.
Very nice, very nice, very good. So, what are your plans now?
So, sir, I have now two options. I have IIT Bombay, where I have two programs, MTech in Petroleum Geoscience or MTech in Geo Exploration. And then I have ISC Bangalore, which offers MTech in Earth Sciences, or it may also offer me a direct integrated PhD in Earth Sciences,
Mhm.
considering my rank.
Mhm. And you're
So
inclined towards.
I'm inclined towards PhD. I actually want to go to IISc Bangalore because it's the best institution in the country, and I just wish I get the PhD because it will be a very good experience, and I want to go into
You are
research.
interested in research,
Yes, I want to go into research and academics. I want to teach.
research and academics. You want to teach.
Yes.
That's good. दैट्स गुड। तो यहाँ इसके बाद तो आई थिंक इंटरव्यू भी होगा अगर आप वहाँ पे जाना चाहते हो तो।
Yes, sir. I have my counseling process from 26th of March, I suppose. It's starting on 26th of March. I have to fill my options, and then the interviews will be, I think there will be 2 or 3 rounds in April.
ओके ओके, आई होप दैट यू गेट थ्रू व्हाट यू वांट टू डू। मेरा
Thank you,
बेस्ट
sir.
विशेस है आपके साथ टुवर्ड्स पर दैट
Thank you, sir.
पर्टिकुलर कोर्स। अच्छा, एक बात बताइए, इफ़ समबडी इज़ प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर दिस एग्जामिनेशन, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एडवाइस सजेशंस यू माइट लाइक टू गिव टू फ्यूचर स्टूडेंट्स योर जूनियर्स?
I would just like to say that never neglect your basics,
हम्म।
and you can never predict the paper based on the previous years. If you lack your basics, then I think it will be very difficult for you to ace it.
हम्म।
And consistency is the key. It's everywhere. Consistency is the key. Hard work is the key. Those things we learn from the basic from our childhood. Those things come into play. But as we grow older, we actually skip those things. We look for shortcuts. There are no shortcuts.
हम्म। लेकिन मैं एक चीज़ यहाँ पे कहना चाहूँगा कि यू प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर एटलीस्ट 3-4 months very intensely, 7 hours each day studying. But how much would you, I think that most students would not be able to give that much. 7 hours studying, 7 to 8 hours every day, apart from attending classes for a period of 4-5 months, that requires a lot of determination. So how much would you say a person or student who is preparing for this exam should keep a time frame in their mind if
So
they're preparing?
a time frame of 7 to 8 months is very good. And if you can study like consistently for 2 or 3 hours also per day, covering every topic in the syllabus, that is very important. Covering every topic in the syllabus, then I think the person will be able to clear it easily.
Okay. Okay. And most importantly, basics, right? If the basics are
Basics.
strong, then you can build upon that. उसके ऊपर आप जितना भी आगे जाना चाहते हो जा पाओगे if your basics are strong. But if your basics are not strong, फिर चीज़ें आगे जाके समझ में ही नहीं आएंगी. You will
वही होता
stumble.
है सर, वही होता है। मतलब I actually made a list of the topics that what I needed.
हम्म।
So geothermics पढ़ना था. I have to study the thermodynamics of the earth. But first I needed those thermodynamics tools which Dr. Raj taught us. It was very beautiful. He taught very nicely.
हम्म।
So when I actually after that when he
So which
finished,
particular lectures or topics from Elevate benefited you in your particular exam?
I would say mechanics helped me a lot, thermodynamics, electromagnetics, and mathematical physics. Because I would say mathematical physics the most, because I had some direct questions in my gate which sir
Oh,
taught
really?
me there. Yes, Fourier series,
Okay.
Fourier transforms. I actually smiled. And sir, I really appreciate your series on nuclear and particle physics on YouTube. It's
Okay.
excellent. It helped me. And by chance, it happened that I saw your lecture on GM counter, and I got a question from that.
That is a very interesting coincidence. Yeah. That's really nice. Really, really nice. Uh, या एक्चुअली एक कहावत है ना, ये चांस फेवर्स द प्रिपेयर्ड माइंड। यू आर प्रिपेयर्ड इन योर ओन रिजॉल्व, इन योर डिटर्मिनेशन। तो इसलिए हमने जो भी किया है, इट हेल्प्ड यू, बट अल्टीमेटली इट इज़ यू हु हैव प्रिपेयर्ड सिंसियरली इन दीज लास्ट कपल ऑफ मंथ्स, 6 months, एंड आपके हार्डवर्क की वजह से ही यू हैव योर रिजल्ट ऑफ AIR 11। सो फॉर दैट कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस आदित्य, and many congratulations Aditya, congratulations to your parents also.
Thank you.
And I am sure that they are very happy and feeling very proud of your achievement.
And one last thing I would like to tell my juniors, that just never give up on learning. Even after you clear your exams, you've got something, but always keep that attitude that you want to learn. It's not like you will know everything about each and every topic. It will never happen. So just keep that learning attitude. Learn from people. You can even learn from juniors. Learn from everywhere.
Well said. Well
Never,
said.
never become complacent.
Never
become.
stop learning.
Yes.
That
And
is an
sir,
excellent attitude.
And sir, it does not stop here. Yesterday, my mom was asking me that what about now? I was like, no, it does not stop here. I've got All India rank 11 in geophysics. Okay,
Now is the
done.
beginning.
Now it's the beginning, and now the real game begins.
Mhm.
And it's not the end. I'm still interested in physics, and I'll go for gate physics next year.
Okay.
Yes, so it's still on the cards.
Okay.
So I always like to give myself targets. It's again a target on my mind now. Apart from my studies, I will do it. And that's why I'm telling you right now that I'll be after you again.
You can be after me anytime you want. No issues. Ah, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. So, Aditya, many many wishes for your future from myself as well as all the teachers from Elevate. And Dr. Raj will be very happy to hear that जो उन्होंने कुछ questions पढ़ा है MP में वो direct as it is gate में ही आ गया.
उन्होंने वेक्टर कैलकुलस पढ़ाया, लैप्लाशियन पर डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आया.
Direct question आ गया. अच्छा.
डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आया.
He'll be very very happy to hear this.
सो मैं वही कहूंगा सर, जो मतलब बेसिक्स वाली बात है वो रहती है, बट द क्वालिटी ऑफ टीचर्स I haven't seen this. I had joined a coaching back in class 12, but this is next level. This is like next level. All the teachers, everyone.
You're
they're
talking
doing-
about Elevate classes.
I'm talking about Elevate. Everyone
Thank you
is
so much.
fabulous, excellent effort, and just the quality of the content, and really your teaching style has inspired me a lot.
अच्छा,
I've
okay.
learned a lot. Your presentation, everything, all the teachers. It's immaculate. It's excellent, fabulous.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Adityam. So I really enjoyed the talk with you. I hope ki whoever is watching this video, they are also going to get inspired by you and your story, and how you have discontinued your academics, went into job, came back from job, and really in a determined fashion prepared for this exam and cleared it with such high marks and such a good rank. So this is going to be, I am sure it's going to be an inspiration for anyone who is watching this in the future. So Adityam, thank you very much for this conversation.
Thank you,
And
sir.
best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir. And I wish best of luck to all my juniors. And may you ace whatever you set your aim for.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much, Adityam.
Thank you, sir.